Hello there, me again. You've watched me do restoration on a crankbait and then on a lipless crankbait. I've got a couple of these inline spinners that I found that are, well, they're pretty well goners. They're all rusted up, missing most of the hook. So anyway, with something that has a blade like this, that's where you want to start, because if you can't shine up that blade, there's no point in doing the rest of it. So we're going to clip that, basically just to hold everything still, and we're going to take some sandpaper to it. Regular sandpaper, nothing special. And you're gonna very tediously and very slowly gonna sand that blade off. See if you can't make it shine again. Enough of that noise. We're gonna use a Dremel. There ought to be good. Starting to shine already. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. I'll be back. Got that done in just a short time. Didn't turn out too bad at all. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to switch the Dremel over to a buffing wheel, and I'm going to put some compound on that and see if I can't get that even more shiny. I will be right back. Alright, it shined up pretty nice. So what it did is I took a grinding tip for the Dremel, bullet shape, whatever, and then I took the cotton equivalent with the that crap, and that's what I got. Okay, so now that we've got the blade good, I'm going to repaint the body. I'm going to find a hook that'll replace that, and I'm going to fix this thread thing. I'll be back. Now, hook on there's been kind of a pain in the butt, I'm not going to lie. I debated using a split ring, but I talked myself out of it, and now I'm wishing I hadn't talked myself out of it. But I just about got it into the original clip that the old hook was in. The old hook was so bad that when I went to try to undo this to get it out, it basically just disintegrated. And there we go. That's the new hook. I haven't painted it yet. Obviously I'm going to do something red and orange. I'll do that real quick, and I'll be back, and the last step will be to put more thread on it down there. Alright, I've got that little bit of thread on right there. Now what that actually is supposed to do is prevent the body from sliding down and catching the little doodad that holds the hook. So that's on. So we're going to start painting it. I've got some yellow, got some red. I'll paint it up real nice. I'm going to go ahead and paint it, and then I will be right back. Hello, I'm back. That's the one that I was going to do red and orange, but I changed my mind. I did red, and then I took some glitter and glittered it up real nice. I've done the thread and glued it, and it's dry. Now, while I was waiting on that one to dry, I went ahead and I did the other one, the green one. I shined its blade up real nice. It didn't need painted, that body was still shiny, so I went ahead and I did the thread on the back of it and gave it a new hook. The glue on it is just about dry. That one too is ready to try. So the next time you see me, I'll be casting these out and trying them out and seeing how they do. All right. See you then. This is another one that I had found and tried to restore. Basically, I shined it up, gave it a paint job, put new hooks and stuff on it. I will be quite surprised if this one actually spins like it's supposed to. But we'll see. It feels like it's working. Oh, by George, it is. Look at that. It works. One more. I used some goopy paint on it, which made me think that it wasn't going to work right. But it's working just fine. That's some awesome sauce right there. We'll switch that out, put the other one on. It'd be hilarious if I actually hooked into something. I don't think it's going to happen, but it would be cool. Okay. Are you still recording? Are you recording all that? This is another one that I found that I restored. Again, buff and polish, new hooks, that kind of thing. Folks at home are supposed to see me talking to myself. That's it. I can tell that one's working, I can feel it. See if I can't get that into the light down here. I've done pretty good. Works just fine. Not shiny like a brand new one, but yeah, that'll be good enough, and not bad for free. We'll take free. And that's it. Thanks.